Get some MacBook here. MacBook no work. Screen down. Finish. We'll change the screens here. Take off this panel so you can work properly. This one unplug and this one unplug. Take off this part. Put it aside. Now you got the screen to work on. Working on the screen, we need to change it.
Summer during December, they are so expensive because it's nice. When it's hot, what you put in the fridge, it goes that
cool.
So this one, it's not cool. When it's cold.
Good to go. Okay, now with that, let's connect the cables, connect the data cable, and then we are good to go. Now let's connect the battery. Let's test it. Let's test our handwork, if the handwork was good. Is the fan spinning? Yes, the fan is spinning. So let's wait and see. Oh yeah, that's a nice, and there we go. Our machine is fixed. The laptop is fixed. There we go. Oh, wrong password. Right password. That's how you can fix MacBook. Thanks for watching. No problem.